Keep it handy because line of showers and storms moving in right now, so expecting a very wet morning across the region. Even if you're not seeing rain yet, you will likely see rain here this morning. And the unsettled pattern continues through the weekend. I've lowered the rain chance just a bit for Saturday. I do think we are going to see quite a bit of dry time, but some scattered showers, some scattered thunderstorms, and then finally on Sunday, widespread showers, widespread thunderstorms out ahead of the cold front. That cold front eventually going to sweep through and get rid of the rain chance for the early part of next week. But we've been tracking a couple rounds of showers and storms through the overnight hours, but here comes the main line that we've been talking about for the last couple of days, moving in from the north and west. Still some lingering showers through parts of Marshall County, say Benton, Kentucky, actually picking up on some of those showers right now, and then crossing Kentucky Lake, continuing to push its way to the east. One of those also showers just pushing through Mayfield here just a bit ago. Further to the north, though, into southern Illinois, across Jefferson County, Waltonville, there along 148, going to catch a little downpour here in just a bit. But the main line of showers and storms is just now moving through Randolph County and entering far northwest Perry County from Coulterville, and it's going to be riding right down Route 13 into Pinckneyville here in just a bit as well, and eventually into parts of northwest Jackson County. So to give you a storm track on where this is heading to the north or to the south and east, puts it into, say, Woodlawn, coming in here just a little after 6 a.m. DeCoyne also about 6:05 or so, and that will continue also into parts of Jackson County. Further to the south and west, that line of storms also now entering parts of southeast Missouri into Madison County and over into Wayne County as well, far northwest Wayne County, as that line of showers and storms will continue to the south and east. So it will be moving over near Buckhorn and Perryville here in just a bit. Greenville coming in also about 6 a.m. this morning. No severe weather this morning. That's a good news, but we are dealing with some heavy rainfall, quite a bit of thunder and lightning expected with this line of storms. Live view from Sparta showing some of that heavy rain coming down, and the dark skies, of course, area wide right now out ahead of that main line. At least it's mild when you step outside out ahead of that line of storms. Temperatures right now upper 60s and lower 70s. Once the line of storms moves in, though, it will quickly drop temperatures back into the lower 60s. But this is not the cold front. Cold front still well to our north and west and will not move through here until sometime on Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. So 7 a.m. showers and storms still continuing across the region. As we get into the afternoon hours today, it's going to be warm. It is going to be muggy and a bit humid, but shower and storm chances will go down just a bit. Just a few scattered showers and storms expected. Any storms that could develop this afternoon actually could be on the strong side. Some small hail, some gusty winds a possibility. And then looking ahead to the first part of the weekend here on Saturday, notice not everybody picking up rain on Saturday, but scattered showers, scattered storms will likely be dotting the landscape. And then looking ahead to Sunday, here comes the cold front and really expecting widespread showers and storms to develop out ahead of that front on Sunday afternoon. So Sunday actually may end up being a washout for some of our region. Storm Prediction Center still highlighting this in a level 1, mainly of any storms that redevelop later on this afternoon. Some gusty winds, some small hail a possibility. In addition to the threat for maybe an isolated strong storm, heavy rain is possible as well, especially as we head into the second half of the weekend. Still expecting 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, southern Illinois, southeast Missouri, and a little less into western Kentucky. So here's what to expect. Best storm chances today come this morning. Tomorrow, hit and miss showers and storms, but I still expect quite a bit of dry time on Saturday. Sunday may end up, especially Sunday afternoon, may end up being a washout for our region, but a 20% chance by this afternoon, and then going back up just a bit this evening, say about 6 to 9 p.m. Still expecting some scattered showers and storms, and left a small chance for a stray shower or storm even lingering around through much of the overnight hours. So your weekend forecast, 60% chance on Saturday, 80 degrees, and then Sunday, that chance of rain actually going back up again, upper 70s. Winds will remain out of the south, so we're going to be pumping some of the warm, humid air here through much of the weekend. Finally, Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, cold front sweeps through, cools us back quite a bit into the early part of next week, but some dry weather taking hold Monday, Tuesday, and even to the second half of next week. And after this weekend, Evie, I think many of us are going to be ready for some dry weather.